Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making my amazing smoked oysters and bacon pizza. This is pure deliciousness. If you enjoy smoked oysters, then you'll love it. So let's get cooking. Here, I'm using my Mediterranean pizza dough, but I suggest other options on the blog, so check it out. Another alternative, although I'm not a fan of it, is to use store-bought. Whichever way you go, sprinkle on some cornmeal first on a pizza pan before laying down the pizza dough. Alright, so we'll spread about half a cup of pizza sauce, leaving about an inch around the edges. By the way, this recipe makes 2 pizzas of 12 inches each. We'll now evenly sprinkle on some red onions, then roasted red peppers, followed by cooked bacon, and to know a great way to cook without the mess, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also place some sliced mushrooms on our pies before adding the star of this recipe, smoked oysters. We'll either sprinkle on some smoked paprika or mild paprika. It's up to you. What I do is to use smoked on one pizza and the mild paprika on the other pie. Finally, the cheddar cheese. I like using sharp over mild because it gives a nice robust punchy flavor. The next ingredient is optional, and it's red pepper flakes. I normally add 1/8 of a teaspoon at the most per pizza. We'll now transfer the pie to a 500-degree preheated oven and bake for 12 minutes. We'll remove from the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes before sprinkling on some fresh chopped parsley and slicing it. And my friends, this is our smoked oyster and bacon pizza. Delightfully different, this unique pizza is loaded with flavor and certainly one to put on your menu. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!